Kids Ask Dr. Friendtastic!
Welcome. I'm Dr. Eileen Kennedy Moore, also known as Dr. Friendtastic. I'm an author and clinical psychologist based in Princeton, New Jersey. Let's listen to today's question.
Hi, I'm Peyton, and I'm 12 years old. How do I expand my friend group without hurting my best friend's feelings?
Hi, Paya. Thanks for sending in this great question. A lot of kids wonder exactly this. I think it's exciting that you want to expand your friend group. It's also thoughtful and kind of you to want to avoid hurting your best friend's feelings. The first thing to do is figure out who you'd like to build or deepen a friendship with. Maybe you've chatted with someone who seems nice at school or at an activity. Maybe you need to join a club or activity that helps you meet people with the same interests you have. Choose people you think you have a lot in common with. Kids make friends by doing fun things together. So once you've figured out who you want to become closer friends with, the next step is to invite them to do something fun with you outside of where you normally see them. That tells them, hey, I like you and I want to spend more time with you. It's a great compliment. You could invite them over, meet up somewhere, or plan a fun outing together. Now, what are you going to do about your current best friend? The easiest and kindest approach is to ask her to join you in expanding your friend group. She might have ideas of other people you could both become closer friends with. She could also be great support and company if you decide to invite new friends to do something with both of you. Making expanding your friend group a shared project with your best friend could increase your closeness with this friend and add new friends to your life. But what if you want to make new friends apart from your relationship with your best friend? Having a close friend doesn't mean you have to do everything together. You're free to explore new activities or friendships without her. At the same time, if you want to keep your relationship with your best friend and not leave her feeling dumped, you need to think about what you can do to show her that she matters to you. Words are good, but actions count more. What could you do to make sure that you and your best friend spend fun time together on a regular basis? How can you be good company when you're together? What can you do to make sure that you know what's going on in her life and vice versa? You may be wondering if you should tell your current best friend that you want to make more friends apart from her. If your actions are going to change your usual routine with this friend, then yes, it would probably be a good idea to explain and also show you want to be with her. For example, you could say, I've decided to join the field hockey team so I can't hang out after school, but let's have a sleepover on Saturday. Your friend might still feel hurt if there's a change in your relationship and she becomes less of a priority for you. That's understandable. Juggling separate friendships can be tricky. Being thoughtful and kind is your best bet for trying to preserve that friendship as well as your new ones. This has been Kids Ask Dr. Friendtastic. If you have a question about making and keeping friends that you'd like me to answer, go to drfriendtastic.com. That's drfriendtastic.com, and click on the podcast tab to see how to submit your question. You can learn even more about friendship through my funny and practical books for kids, Growing Friendships, a kid's guide to making and keeping friends, and Growing Feelings, a kid's guide to dealing with emotions about friends and other kids. They're available through your library or wherever you buy books.